Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't you think evening tea is incomplete without something tasty and yummy by its side? If yes, this video is for you where we will make a very quick 5 minutes evening snacks. To save time, I am heating up a karhai and will add oil. Till oil heats up, we can do the necessary preparations. I have some dough left in the fridge and will take the required quantity from it to make our snacks. I made this dough by adding whole wheat atta, salt and hot water. Just mix everything well and leave for half an hour. After that, make the dough and use it for making roti, puri or any other items that you want. I usually make this dough and use it for 2 to 3 days. I am applying some more atta to remove the stickiness from my dough. We'll knead it for few seconds until atta mixes well, and then we need to take small portions of it. Apply some extra atta if needed. Make a laddu and give it a flat shape. You can even make them in any other shape and size that you like. Repeat the same process until you are done. You can even start frying this at the same time just to save time. But I will just prepare them and then start frying. Our oil is heated up and now we'll start frying these. You may add more than one and fry together to save time. Just make sure to keep the flame low to ensure our snacks is cooked from inside out. Keep stirring them. Once they start changing color, keep them aside. And start frying the second batch. Repeat the same process of cooking in low flame until they start changing their color. Once done, keep them aside. And we are done with the frying part. Now I will also make some tea, adding water, tea powder, stevia or any other sweetener, pinch of ginger, pinch of dalchini powder. Once water starts boiling, adding milk. We'll let the tea come to boil and in the meanwhile we'll do plating for the snacks. Here we have the fried snacks ready. I will pour some fresh cream from top. And will also add some jaggery for that extra sweet taste. Cream goes really well with this and now they look amazing. In the same time, our tea is also ready. I will pour the tea . And here we have this easy, quick and tasty snacks all ready. So that was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.